Hey guys, this is Brian with Bulletproof Cycles, and we're doing an unboxing of the Von Zipper Porkchop goggles for motocross. These are super cool, and I was lucky enough to get sponsored by these guys for the AMA Supermoto Nationals this year. So let's check these things out. Before we get too far into this, I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing way more videos like this, talking about all kinds of different products. And if you have any products you want us to review, or know some more information about something about bikes, feel free to comment below and like. We really appreciate it. Now back to these goggles. These are the Von Zipper Porkchop goggles, which is the top of the line for their Moto brand. They go for 85 bucks US. They come with a tinted visor. These ones are like a reddish kind of hue, kind of hard to see, to go with the Rasta theme, which I'm really stoked on. They have some really cool themes as well, with zebra, cheetah, some pink and blue ones. Lots of really cool stuff going on over there. Definitely unique from the typical big goggle brands in Moto. Von Zipper's been doing sunglasses and snowboard goggles for a long time. I actually have been using their snowboard goggles for a long time and absolutely love them. I've used a lot of different goggles in the past, and these always just seem to be the most comfortable, and the lenses are really, really good at cutting down glare and stuff like that. So in addition to the tinted lens that comes on these, they also include a clear lens as well inside the goggle case. These things are really well packaged, traditional goggle box, but I mean, they were really packed in there. Let's talk about the strap here. You have that silicone bead that goes all the way around that holds on your helmet. The typical adjustment for most goggles, you pull them apart to tighten it, and you push them together to loosen them up. And the Von Zipper logo right there on the side, raised up. Pretty sick. I'm gonna show you a little bit later in the video how these things fit in the helmet, and then you'll kind of understand what these are all about. But essentially, they are to have the strap in line with the side of the helmet, if that makes sense. So the goggles can recess inside the helmet and make a better fit on your face, and keep the dirt and the dust and whatever out if you're on a really dusty track. The inside, I mean, you have a ton of cushy foam, and that moisture wicking kind of microfibery lining in there. Really excited about these things. I've already threw them on my face, and they're definitely really comfortable. I'm going to be riding with these on Sunday, and I will definitely report back with what I think. But so far, just unboxing these things, I couldn't be happier. Thanks again, Von Zipper. Just wanted to show you guys what they look like in the helmet. See, that's why they have these, I'm not really sure what you would call that, but that's what the strap hooks onto, so that the goggles can make a really nice fit inside your helmet. And the straps don't, it just makes the straps fit the helmet better when it's recessed in there, I guess is the best way I can put it. These also have an option for tear-offs, which I got, traditional tear-offs, or you can get the roll-offs if you ride in a lot of mud. But for me, it's not really a muddy thing with Supermoto. If you're in the mud, you have a lot more problems than being able to see, and slicks don't really sling that much mud like knobbies do. But really stoked on these things. Can't wait to ride with them.